Good day everyone. So I'm gonna tackle about the lymphatic system. So lymphatic system is lymph or immune system. So lymphatic system is siya yung nag-protekta sa mga germs na pumapasok sa body natin. The active part of system is lymph fluid. So it drains into networks to tiny capillaries and tissue spaces that unite to form larger vessels called lymphatic. The lymph travels only in one direction, so it doesn't circulate. So it helps the circulatory system to do her jobs. So the lymphatic system have general functions. One is return fluid from tissues to blood. 85% of fluid that leak out of blood returns to blood via blood capillaries. 50% of this fluid returns via lymphatic system. So in 24 hours, lymphatics return fluid equivalent to enter blood volume. If lymphatic system becomes blocked, edema can cause swelling and discomfort. Then second, return large molecules to blood. So 25% to 50% of blood proteins leak out of capillaries each day. So in lymphatic cells pick them up and returns them to the blood. Lymphatics are blocked blood protein decreases, leading to fluid leaking from the body, according to the U.S. National Library of Medicine. The three function of lymphatic system is absorb and transport fat. So lacteals and villi of small intestine absorb all lipids and fat-soluble vitamins from digested food, bypasses liver, much goes straight to adipose tissue. So ang lymphatic system is nag-function siya is gina-absorb niya and transport fats. Yung pagkain natin and then gina-transport siya sa fat. So the part 1 of the function of the lymphatic system is hemopiosis. So WBC's lymphocytes, monocytes are made in lymphatic tissues, not bone marrow. Main supply of lymphocytes. So lymphocytes is a kind of white blood cells in our immune system. So the fifth one is body defense immunity. So the lymphatic system is the one who help to prevent the organism or the microorganism na magpasok sa body natin. So this is the lymphatic system. So as you can see, no, lahat ng body natin is may lymphatic system talaga. So what makes up the lymphatic pathway? So lymph is the fluid. So lymphatic capillaries are tiny vessels found in the tissues of most organs in our body. So the lymphatic vessels collect and filter lymph. So as it continues to move toward larger vessels called collecting ducts. So these vessels operate very much likely our ugat. Lymph nodes. So lymph nodes filter substances that travel through the lymphatic fluid, and they contain lymphocytes, white blood cells that help the body fight infection and disease. So there are hundreds of lymph nodes found throughout the body. In the neck, in our neck drain lymph fluid from the cervical lymph nodes of the neck. So collecting ducts are the last opportunity to reserve H2O and concentrate urine before they lead urine to the minor's calyces. So antidiuretic hormone or ADHD from the hypothalamus directs the collecting ducts to concentrate urine. So we have here the thoracic duct. So the function of the thoracic duct is to transport lymph back into our circulatory system. So we have here two lymphatic ducts. So the lymphatic duct is kinakollect niya and drains lymph from left side of the head, the neck, lower limbs, the left side of the trunk, and left arm.
So, ang akin i-discuss naman ngayon is flow of lymph. So, ano bang flow of lymph? Ang flow of lymph ay ito yung pumapasok sa isang lymph node sa pamagitan ng ilang afferent lymphatic vessels. So, pagkatapos niyang pumasok sa lymph node is dumadaan ito sa cortex, sa paracortex at medulla ng node at lalabas sa kabilang panig sa pamagitan ng isang solong afferent lymphatic vessel. So, ano bang tinatawag na afferent? So, ito yung conducted inward or towards something for nerves, then central nervous system, for blood vessels, and the organ supply. So, next is lymph circulation. So, lymph circulations, ang fluids na pinipilit palabasin sa daluyan ng ating dugo sa normal circulation or circulate. Ito ay sinasalat sa pamagitan ng mga lymph nodes upang alisin ang mga bakterya. So ang likidong ito ay dinadala pabalik sa daluyan ng dugo sa pamagitan ng lymph vessel. So ang lymph only moves in one direction towards the heart. So next is lymph nodes. So ang lymph nodes ay para siyang size or shape ng beans. Nakikita ito sa part of the body immune system. So body immune system, ito ay nagbibigay protection laban sa mga karamdaman. Like for example, kapag kumain tayo, siyempre rin natin maiwasan na mahaluan ng bakterya ang ating kinakain or pagkain. So, ginagawa ni lymph node, siya yung sumasala dun sa bakterya na ating nakakain. And they contain lymphocytes or tinatawag na white blood cells that help the body fight infection and disease. There are hundreds of lymph nodes found throughout the body. They are connected to one another by lymph vessels. So, they have three functions of lymph nodes. First is cleanse lymph. So, cleanse lymph, ito naman habang dumadaloy si lymph sa cyanosis nodes ay bumabagal ito, sinaalis niya ang mga microorganism or foreign matter natin. So, ano bang cyanosis nodes? The rhythm of the heart is typically controlled by cyanosis node, so an area of specialized cells in the right upper heart chamber or right atrium. Next is alert immune system. Si alert immune system naman is siya yung nagbibigay signal sa ating immune system. Like for example, is may dumapo sa atin na sakit, siya yung agad na nag-a-alert sa immune system natin para protection ng ang ating body system. So, in the absence of such signals, there is often no immune response or tolerance may develop. So, last is important in hemopoiesis. So, ang function naman ni hemopoiesis is siya yung pumapalit sa mga old blood cells sa ating katawan. So, next is lymphatic system. So, makikita natin dito sa picture, guys. Dito natin makikita kung saan kung sino si lymph nodes at kung saan siya na makikita sa ating katawan. So, yung circle dyan na makikita natin na color green is yan yung tinatawag na lymph node. So, makikita natin siya sa banda sa neck natin, banda sa armpit, hanggang sa ibaba ng ating body. So, yan namang tinatawag na nerves, yan makikita natin sa picture, yan good ugat, yan naman tinatawag na lymphatic vessels. So, next is, yan. So, ano yung makikita natin nakapaloob sa nodes natin, sa lymph nodes natin? Syempre, sa lymph nodes, makikita natin dyan kung saan naka-level si afferent, si lymph vessels, si trabeculae, medullary sinus, subcapsular sinus, slow-flowing lymphocytes, reticular fiber, efferent lymph vessels, lymphocytes in outflowing lymph, blood vessels entering the ileum, capsules, medulla, and the last one is cortical sinus. So, ito yung makikita natin nakapaloob sa ating lymph nodes. So, that's all. Thank you.
Good day to all of you guys. I am Nashim Ibrahim Aipiang, and today I will discuss the major accessory lymphatic organs. So we have three major accessory lymphatic organs. Number 1, the spleen. Number 2, the thymus, and the last, the tonsils. The spleen. The spleen is the largest of the lymphatic organs responsible for filtering and storing blood and producing white blood cells. It is also located in the upper left abdomen above the stomach. So si spleen ay located sa ating left upper abdomen beneath the diaphragm. Ang spleen ay responsible for different kind of jobs. First, it stores various immune system cells. Second, it breaks down red blood cells. And the last, it stores and breaks down the platelets. So as you can see on the screen is makikita po natin kung saan nakalocated si spleen. Let's proceed. The thymus. The thymus is the organ primarily responsible for the production and maturation of immune cells. including small lymphocytes that protect the body against foreign antigens. So, si thymus ay located behind the breastbone and above the heart. Dito sa thymus, nagmamature yung T cells or thymus cells, lymphocytes, isang specific type of white blood cells na lumalaban sa mga foreign organisms. So as you can see on the screen again, is makikita po natin kung saan nakalocated si thymus. The last part is the tonsils. The tonsils are part of body immune system because of their location at the throat and palate. They can stop germs entering body through the mouth or the nose. The tonsils also contain a lot of white blood cells which are responsible for killing germs. So it's very understandable naman si tonsil because itong si tonsil ay isang lymphoid organ na humaharang sa mga pathogens or germs galing sa ating mga kinakain or at iniinom. So that's all. So let's proceed to add to the other presenter.